नहीं होते तब तक मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ।
बात करेंगे मैम, हाँ बात करेंगे।
मानस पूजा, मानस पूजा यानी क्या, ये समझ में आया आपको?
नहीं
जब
नहीं।
अपने पास कुछ भी सामग्री नहीं रहती है पूजा के लिए, तो हम लोग अपने मन से भगवान को याद करते हैं। तो उसे मानस पूजा कहते हैं। यानी अपने पास पानी नहीं है, जल नहीं है, कुमकुम नहीं है, बेल नहीं है, फूल नहीं है, फल नहीं है, फिर भी हम लोग पूजा कर रहे हैं। दैट इज कॉल्ड मानस पूजा। और हम लोग ये शिव जी की मानस पूजा कर रहे हैं, ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
गेटिंग?
यस मैम।
ओके।
ठीक है।
अभी तक सिर्फ वाणी ज्वाइन हुई है, इज इट?
अभी तक पानी
ओके बानी, तब तक मैं आपका रिवाइज करके लेती हूँ।
हाँ।
ओके मैम।
ओके, आप बोलिए। रत्ने कल्पितमासनं हिमजले
रत्नैकल्पितमासनं हिमजले
स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम्
स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम्
नानारत्नविभूषितं मृगमदा
नानारत्नविभूषितं मृगदा
मृगमदा
मृगमदा
मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनम्
मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनं
जाति चम्पकबिल्वपत्ररचितम्
जाति चम्पक बिल्वपत्र
रचितम।
रचितम्
रचितं
पुष्पं च धूपं तथा
पुष्पं च धूपं तथा
दीपं देवदयानिधे पशुपते
दीपं देव
दीपं
दयानिधे
देव
दीपं देव
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 दयानिधे पशुपते
दयानिधे पशुपते
रत्कल्पितं गृह्यताम्
रत्कल्पनीयं
गुह्यताम्
गृह्यताम्
मैम, दिस
Yes,
इज आरात्रिका's मदर। आपने इतना तो किया नहीं था कल, आपका नेटवर्क खराब था ना। आपने पहले 2 लाइन में ही आपने बोल दिया कल करेंगे करके।
yes, yes, yes. Today
आज ही तो शुरू हो रहा है ना, मतलब।
जी आज से फर्स्ट हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं।
हाँ हाँ, वही वही, आई एम जस्ट क्लैरिफाइंग बिकॉज अभी इतना आप जब बोल रहे हो आरात्रिका बोल रही है मम्मा, ये सब तो सिखाया नहीं।
नहीं 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 नहीं, आई एम
And
जस्ट टेकिंग हर रिवीजन नाउ।
okay, okay. She
Everybody,
doesn't know, Aratrika doesn't know Hindi. She knows only English.
yes, yes, yes.
She cannot
She told me
understand.
yesterday.
Yeah,
She
yeah. I
said
was busy
to
yesterday.
talk in English
Yeah,
only.
yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, ये जो मानस पूजा है, so that is for from our depth of our heart, from if we don't have anything to offer to the Lord, like fruits, bilva patra, or anything like water, Ganga jal, if those things are not available, then we can do the puja just by thinking that or by imagining that I am offering everything to the Lord. And in this way, we are doing the puja, and that is called Manas Puja. Getting? And from this puja, we are getting the benefits like we are getting connected from our soul to the God. and in this way we get the peace. And if we are reciting this Shiva Manas Puja on daily basis or on Monday, then we will get the fruits like blessings of the God, and even our health issues are getting resolved. And that's why this puja is very much useful, and we can do anytime, anywhere. So that is also one of the benefit of this puja. Now, Aratika, unmute yourself. And now you repeat after me. Aratika.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now repeat after me. Ratne kalpitamasanam himajalai.
Ratnai kalpitamasanam himajalai.
Snanam cha divyambaram.
Snanam
Cha divyambaram.
chatimpya balam.
Divyambaram.
Divyam balam.
Nanaratna vibhushitam mrugamada.
Nana
Ratna
ratna
vibhushitam
vibhushitam
mrugamada.
rugamada.
Modankitam chandanam. Modankitam.
Modam kitam.
No, not modam. Modam.
Modam
Kitam.
kitam.
Chandanam.
Chandanam.
Jati champaka bilva patra rachitam.
Ma'am, you please say it separately, ma'am. I cannot tell like so much in one line.
Okay, fine. Jati champaka
Jati champaka
bilva patra
bilva patra
rachitam.
rachitam
Pushpam cha dhupam.
pushpam cha dudam
Dhupam.
upam
Tatha.
tata
Deepam deva.
shipam deva
Deepam.
deepam
Yeah. Deepam deva.
deepam deva
Dayanidhe.
dayanide
Pashupate.
pashupate
Ratkalpitam.
ratkalpitam
Gruyyatam.
druyatam.
Very good, Aratika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now you unmute yourself, and when I'm teaching to recite, when another student is reciting, still that time you also recite, but you just keep yourself mute, unmute. Sorry, mute. Fine. Okay. Now the next student,
Okay.
Mala Sharma. Mala Sharma, you unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I'll just read it out, okay?
Okay.
रत्नैकल्पितमासनं हिमजलैः स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरं नानारत्नविभूषितं मृगमदा मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनं जातिचम्पकबिल्वपत्ररचितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा दीपं देवदयानिधे
No, just pushpam cha deepam tatha.
धूपम नहीं है
नहीं, धूपम है. फॉलो द ताला. पुष्पम
पुष्पम च धूपम तथा
नाउ
दीप-
नेक्स्ट लाइन.
दीपम देवदयानिधे पशुपते हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यताम्.
Very good, lovely Mala, you did it very nicely.
Thank you.
So before proceeding for the next student, what we will do, I will tell you the meaning, and then we will proceed for the next student. Here, Ratne Kalpita Masanam Himajalai. यानी यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि by different valuable stones, ratnas, like diamonds and many valuable ornaments, your asan, the place where the god is sitting, so that I am offering to you, and even the Himajalaya Snanam, and the water that is coming from the Himalaya, that is very pure water, and I'm offering, and cold water, that is I'm offering for you for the taking bath. And Divyambaram. Divyambaram, it means even I am offering the clothes with heavy work and golden threads, with a gold threads, and very precious stones on it. And such type of precious clothes I am offering to you. And then Nana Ratna Vibhushitam. So by different stones and different highly precious weaving, I'm offering such a clothes to you. So we are offering all these things, precious things, to the god. Then Mrugamada Modankitam Chandanam. So I'm offering the chandan, that is for tika, but it is also, chandan itself is a valuable thing, but it is also mixed with the kasturi. So kasturi, it is the very much precious thing that is getting from the deer, and that also I'm mixing into the chandanam, and that kind of tika I'm offering to you. After the tika, Jati Champak Bilva Patra Rachitam. It means Juhi, Champa, and Bilva Patra. I'm offering this to you as a Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali, it means I'm offering these flowers and Bilva Patras to you. After this, tika and ornaments, clothes, and Bilva Patra, Pushpanjali. Now I'm offering to you Dhupam Tatha Deepam. I'm offering Dhoop and Deep. Deva Dayanidhe Pashunidhe. So, hey Dev, hey God, hey Dayanidhe. And even the Pashupate, it is also a name of the Lord Shiva. So, hey Pashupate, Ratkalpitam Gruhyatam. So, ye, my mansik, from my mind, from my heart, I am offering this puja to you, and please offer my puja, please accept my puja. Getting the meaning? Now I will tell the same meaning into the Hindi language. Ratne kalpita asanam himajale स्नानम च दिव्यांबरम. तो मैं शिवजी, मैं आपको रत्नों से जड़ित मैं सिंहासन आपको बैठने के लिए देता हूँ. फिर हिम जल का पवित्र शुद्ध शीतल जल मैं आपके स्नान के लिए देता हूँ. स्नान के बाद आपको मैं डिफरेंट हीरे मोती वैल्यूएबल थिंग से जड़े हुए वस्त्र मैं आपको प्रदान करता हूँ. आप प्लीज वो वस्त्र धारण कीजिए. एंड मृगमदा मोदांकितम चंदनम. अभी भगवान रेडी हो गए हैं, स्नान करके वस्त्र पहन के रेडी हो गए, ऑर्नामेंट्स पहन के रेडी हो गए. तो अभी मैं आपको चंदन का तिलक लगा रहा हूँ, और चंदन का तिलक भी ऐसे लगा रहा हूँ लाइक इन दैट कस्तूरी इज इंक्लूडेड. अभी टीका होने के बाद जाति चंपक बिल्व पत्र रचितम. तो मैं आपको ये जूही चंपा बिल्व पत्र, ये पुष्पांजलि में मैं आपको ऑफर कर रहा हूँ. आफ्टर दिस च धूपम तथा दीपम. मैं आपको धूप और दीप भी दिखा रहा हूँ. अभी अपने पास ये कुछ भी नहीं है. स्टिल वी आर डूइंग दिस पूजा फ्रॉम आवर इमेजिनेशन, फ्रॉम आवर थिंकिंग. सो देव दयानिधे पशुनिधे रथकल्पितम गृह्यताम. तो ये देव दयानिधे पशुपते, ये मेरी मानसिक पूजा आप ग्रहण कीजिए. एक्सेप्ट माई दिस मानस पूजा. Everyone getting meaning? Does any have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, who is that Samsung SMX610? So today only 3 students joined. So, please unmute yourself. Samsung. Okay. I think today only you three are joined.
Yes, there are only 3 students, Aratrika, Bani, and Mala Sharma.
Yes, yes, yes.
So you can ask Bani now to repeat.
Yes. Bani, unmute yourself. Bani, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please make your video on. Okay. Read the read this shloka.
रत्नैकल्पित मासनं हिमजले स्नानं च दिव्यम्बरं
Very good.
रत्नविभूषितं मृगमदा मोदितं
No, it's
चन्दनं
Modankitam. बोलिए मोदांकितम चंदनम.
मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनं
Very good. Next.
जटी जाटी चम्पकबिल्वपत्र चितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा दीपं देव
आफ्टर तथा थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लो ना, यहाँ पे लाइन एंड हो रही है ना, ऐसे पुष्पम च धूपम तथा.
पुष्पं च धूपं तथा
वेरी गुड.
दीपं देव ध्यानिधे
नो, दयानिधे.
दयानिधे
पशुपते.
पशुपते हितकल्पितं
गृह्यताम.
गृह्यताम्.
Lovely Bani, you did it very nice. Really proud of you. And
you.
well done.
Right.
Small age, you read it very correctly. Proud of you. Now, Aratika, you read.
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Yes, yes, yes. Who? Bani is saying. Who is saying?
Aratrika, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Aratrika, you repeat.
Yes. Ma'am, I want to repeat after you. I'm
No,
not
you
very good at
no,
reciting.
you also can do it very well. You just try it. Wherever you are getting stuck up, I will help you out.
Okay. Ratnaikalpitamasanam himajalai.
Snanam
Snanam
cha divyambaram.
Ma'am, you weren't very clear after that.
Snanam cha divyambaram.
Snanam
Chadivya.
Chadivyabaram.
Cha divyambaram.
Chadivyabaram.
हाँ. Read ahead.
Ma'am, I need to practice my Sanskrit, ma'am. I'm not really good.
Okay. Repeat after me. Nana ratna vibhushitam.
Nana Ratvita Bhushitam. रत्नभूषितं
नहीं,
विभूषितम्
add a break point after Nana, add a break point like a comma. Nana, after Ratna also add a break point. Add a comma over
Nana.
there. Ratna,
Ratna
yeah, after Ratna add break point. Vibhushitam,
विभूषितं
Mrugamada,
मृगमदा
Modankitam, Chandanam,
मोगन्दितं चन्दना
Chandanam,
चन्दनं
yes. Jati Champaka,
जाति चम्पक
Bilvapatra Rachitam,
बिल्वपत्ररचितं
Pushpam cha dhupam tatha,
पुष्पं
cha
च
dhupam tatha,
रूपं तथा
Deepam deva,
दीपं देव
Dayanidhe,
दयानिधे
Pashupate,
पशुपते
Ratkalpitam,
रत्तल्पितं
Grihyatam.
गृह्यता
Very good, Aratika. And after the session, I will share you the recording of the first shloka as well as the meaning of the first shloka. So you just listen, everyone just listen the recording and practice accordingly. And in the next session, we will revise the first shloka and then we will proceed for the second shloka. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'll practice.
Now, Mala, you already said very nicely. You just repeat first shloka and also tell the meaning.
Mala is not there. We have another student who have joined. I think so. Yuvan, you are there.
Sindhu
What's your
Karan.
name? Sindhu Karans. What's your name? Yes, the one who have logged in by the name of Sindhu. What's your name?
Sindhu Karan's iPhone. Who is this? What's your name?
Prayan.
Shreyas. Okay, Shreyas. Are you able to read by hearing or shall I repeat and then after me you will repeat? Shreyas, you just repeat my after me. Ratne kalpitamasanam
रत्नकल्पितमासनं
हिमजले
हिमजले
स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम् दिव्याम्बरम्
दिव्यबलं
नानारत्न
नानारत्न
विभूषितं
विभूषितं
विभूषितं विभूषितं
विभूषितं
मृगमदा
मृगमदा
मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनम्
मोदं
कितं
कथ्य
मोदाङ्कितं
मोदं हितं
चन्दनं
चन्दनं
जाति चम्पक
जाते चम्पक
बिल्वपत्र
दिव्यपत्र
रचितं
रचितं
पुष्पं च धूपं तथा
पुष्पं धूपचक्र
नो पुष्पं च
पुष्पं च
धूपं
धूप
तथा
तथा
दीपं देव
दीपं दीप
दीपं देव
दीपं देव
दयानिधे पशुपते दयानिधे दयानिधे
दयानिधि
पशुपते
शुभते
रत्कल्पितं
रत्ने कल्पितं
नो रत रत बोलना है रत जो हम लोग हृदय के लिए बोलते हैं ना, हार्ट के लिए हृदय, तो वो र बोलना है। रत्कल्पितम
रत्कल्पितं
तो कंप्लीट नहीं बोलना है, इट्स अ हाफ तो रत्कल्पितम।
रत्कल्पितं
वेरी गुड। गृह्यताम
म्रियताम्
वेरी नाइस। ओके so Ruta ji, I have already repeated. Shall I take the second shloka or again have a practice then?
You can take second shlok.
Shall I take the second shloka?
You can ask them if they want to repeat one more time, you repeat it, or else you can take another shlok.
Okay. Aratika, Bani, would you like to repeat the shloka once again, or shall I go for the second shloka?
Ma'am, you go for second sloka.
Okay. What about Aratika? Aratika? Aratika, shall I proceed to the second shloka, or would you like to repeat one more time? Aratika, unmute yourself.
You can ask Prayan to repeat one more time. He has done only one time.
No, actually, he left the session. Just
He is
now.
there now.
Yeah. Aratika, would you like to repeat one more time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
If
fine.
you don't mind.
No. You can. Okay, now you try yourself.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. I have to practice at home.
Okay, fine. Repeat after me then. And after Aratika, Shreyas will repeat. Fine. Okay. Ratne kalpitamasanam
रत्नैकल्पितमासनं
himajalai
हिमजलै
स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम्
स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरं
नानारत्न
नारत्न
विभूषितं मृगमदा
विभूषितं भगवदा
मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनम्
भोगं विदं
चन्दनम्
चन्दनं
वेरी गुड यस जाति चंपक बिल्व पत्र रचितम नाउ आई सेड लॉन्गर लाइन
चापि
यू जस्ट yes try Aratika.
What, ma'am?
I said the longer
Your voice is breaking a lot.
okay I said the longer line now you just try जाति चंपक बिल्व पत्र रचितम
Yes. चापि चंपक बिल्वपत्र रचितं
वेरी गुड पुष्पं च धूपं तथा
पुष्पं च धूतं तथा रूपं
दीपं
तथा
दीपं देवदयानिधे
दीपं देवदयानिधे
पशुपते
पशुपते
रत्कल्पितं
रत्कल्पितं
गृह्यताम्.
गृह्यताम्
Very good, Aratika. Well tried. Now, Shreyas, you repeat after me. Aratika, you mute yourself. रत्ने कल्पितमासनं हिमजले
रत्ने कल्पितमासनं
हिमजले
हिमजले
स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम्
दिव्याम्बरम्
नानारत्न नानारत्न विभूषितं मृगमदा
विभूषितं
मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनम्
मोदं
कितं
हितं
चंदनम.
चंदनम।
ये देखो अगर आप संस्कृत वर्जन फॉलो कर रहे होगे तो वहां पे ड लिखा है, ड को हलंत किया है और ड के अंदर डॉट दिया है, राइट? तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है?
Select the option.
इसका मतलब क्या होता है? यू हैव टू ऐड द डॉट वन अल्फाबेट
Ma'am,
बिफोर. मोदांकितम.
ma'am, shall I go to washroom?
ओके. कम फास्ट. Okay, in the meantime, we will repeat one more time the meaning part. Ki, we are offering Lord Shiva the seat for him with all kinds of valuable things on it. The seat is also made up of gold, and even we are offering the Himajal, which is very pure and cold. Such water I'm offering to the Lord Shiva for taking bath, and after the bath, I'm offering him a very precious clothes, which is having a weaving of a gold and having valuable stones on it. Such a valuable, precious clothes I'm offering to the Lord. After this, I'm offering a Chandan Tika to the Lord, which is having the Kasturi mixed in it. After the Tika, we are offering the different kinds of flowers like Juhi, Champa, and Bilva Patra, which is love to the Lord Shiva. So we are offering this, and after the offering Pushpanjali, we are offering Dhoop and Deep to the Lord Shiva. And we are saying that I don't have anything from all these things. I don't have the clothes, I don't have the flowers, Bilva Patra, even I don't have the Tika, Chandan Tika for you. I don't have the clothes for you, but still I'm offering everything to you. How I'm offering? From my heart, from my imagination. And in this way, we are doing the puja, and that's why it is called it as a Manas Puja. And I'm offering all this from my depth of heart to the Lord Shiva. So Pashupate, it is the name of Lord Shiva. So Pashupate, please accept my this puja and please give me the blessings. So likewise, this is the meaning of first shloka. So Shreyas came back. Shreyas, unmute yourself. Okay, we will repeat from start now. Ratne kalpitamasanam himajale
रत्ने कल्पितमासनं
snanam cha divyambaram
दिव्याभरं
nanaratna
स्नानारत्न
vibhushitam mrugamada
चित्तवितं
vibhushitam
बिभजितं
mrugamada
रुग्णदा
modankitam chandanam
मोदं
kitam
हितं
chandanam
चन्दनं
jati champaka
जाति चम्पक
bilvapatra rachitam
बिल्वपत्ररचितं
pushpam cha dhupam tatha
पुष्पं प्रचन्ता
पुष्पं च धूपं तथा
पुष्पं धूपतं ता
पुष्पं च after this धूपम
पुष्पं च
धूपम
धूपं
तथा
तथा
yes दीपम देव
दीपं देव
दयानिधे पशुपते
दयानिधे पशुपते
रत्कल्पितं
रत्नकल्पितं
रत it means heart and kalpitam it means imagination because मैं ये ऑफर कर रहा हूँ by my imagination to the Lord Shiva और कैसे रत्कल्पितम it means from my heart गृह्यताम
ब्रेयतं
Gruyatam, it means please accept it. Getting? Everyone get this shloka? Ratika, Bani and Shreyas. Everyone got the clear about the first shloka?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. But I'll be practicing the shloka.
Yes.
I'll
So
try my best, madam.
I will share the recording. So you just listen and practice it at your home. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. I will practice it.
Yes, very
I will
good.
try my best tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. Now, मैं सिर्फ आपको सेकंड श्लोका सिर्फ पढ़ के बताती हूँ. You just listen. Fine. We will take the second shloka in our next session. Fine. सोवर्णे नवरत्नखण्डरचिते पात्रे घृतं पायसम् भक्ष्यं पञ्चविधं पयोदधियुतं रम्भाफलं पानकम् शाकानामयुतं जलं रुचिकरं कर्पूरखण्डोज्ज्वलम् ताम्बूलं मनसा मया विरचितं भक्त्या प्रभो स्वीकरो. So this is a second shloka. So in our first shloka, what we have done? We have taken a bath. We have taken we have offered clothes. We have offered tika. After this, we are offered flowers. So in this way, God is now ready. Fine. Now in the second shloka, we are offering food to him, food to the Lord Shiva. So what kind of food we are offering? Ghrutam payasam. So the payas, that is a kind of sweet dish. So it is made up of rice and the sweet and the milk. And ghrutam, it means butter. So butter is also added into it. And even we are offering the milk having the 5 items in it. That is the milk, curd, sugar, then butter, and mud, honey. So these 5 things we are adding into the milk, and that is offering to the Lord Shiva. After this, we are offering kadali fruit, and even we are offering the juices to the Lord Shiva. And we are when we are taking food, that time we need water as well, right, for drinking. So likewise, we are offering the water in which the karpur is added. So that is adding the delicious taste to the water. And when we are finished with the our food, what we are eating? We are eating the mouth fresheners, right? So like a pan, we can say. So here it is called as tambul. And now we are offering tambul to the God. And again, we are saying the same thing. Ki ye sab cheezein we don't have. All these things we don't have, right? But we are offering to the Lord. How we are offering? From our heart. And now, please God, accept it. So what we are asking God to accept? Payasam, milk, kadali fruit, then juices, and the water. So these many things we are asking God to accept it, and after having food, accept the tambul, which is a mouth freshener. Getting everyone? In first shloka, we did the puja. In the second shloka, we are offering the food to the Lord. And again, we will practice this shloka in our next session. Fine?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. And soon after the disconnection of this session, I will share you the recording on the WhatsApp group. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. That's all for today's session. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Good night,
Namaste,
everyone.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Good dreams.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
I hope
Jai Shri
everyone
Krishna.
enjoyed. I hope everyone enjoyed the session.
I did enjoy the session, ma'am.
Yeah, chalo. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Good
Thank
night.
you, ma'am.
Jai
Bye,
Shri
ma'am.
Krishna.
Good night, ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am. Bye. Namaste.
Namaste. Okay, Shreyas, have you enjoyed the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you guys are there. Now take darshan of Lord Krishna. So this is the Krishna for which I am doing seva. So say Jai Shri Krishna, Aratika and Shreyas.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Okay. Now you can leave the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Namaste.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.